Hey everybody, Carl from Abt. We're here at CES 2018 in the Casio booth, and we've got Ryan here who's going to tell us about a brand new G-Shock Rangeman watch. What can you tell us about this?
So this is going to be an awesome watch from G-Shock. The greatest thing about this watch right here is that it's going to be our first smartwatch from G-Shock. It's going to give you a GPS readout. So the great thing about this watch right here is that it's very user-friendly, very easy to use. You just press the mode button. You can cycle through with this rotator right here. You can see that it has timekeeping mode, connect, compass, altimeter, barometer, thermometer, and it's also going to have your sunrise, tide, moon, stopwatch, timer, and world time. So those are going to be the modes that you can go through, but there's a lot of other features that this watch has, ergo the navigation. You can press this one button right here on the rotator and it'll show you your navigation. It'll also show you your point memo, your recall, and your setting. The greatest thing about having this watch right here is the fact that you can use your recall at any time. You can use your navigation at any time to show you your line. I'll give you an example of the line right here. If you look at the actual watch right here, you'll see the line, the GPS readout, right above the time. And with that, you can actually use that to show where you're going, and you can actually show it to where you get back to where you're going. So if you're out in the wilderness, you go a little bit too far into the sticks, and then you're not sure of where you are, you can always use your GPS readout on this watch right here to get back to civilization. It'll show you your line to get back through the woods, back to where you started. The great thing about this watch right here is that it's a solar-powered watch. That's really the main selling point of it. It's a solar-powered watch, but it also works on a rechargeable battery. So the rechargeable battery is for the GPS features of it. Okay. And then the solar power assists that battery also. So you get a certain amount of hours from your solar power, but you a certain amount of hours from your rechargeable battery, but you also get a certain amount of hours added to that from your solar power as well.
Yeah, that's great.
So it's awesome that this watch has so much technology from Casio that you would know and love, the solar technology that's feeding into some of the newer technologies that's coming forward with it. So it's a really exciting technology that we have right here. And you even have an example right here of how the application works. So I'll go ahead and show you guys this. This is how the application looks and how it reads out. You're gonna see this right here is gonna be a bigger explanation of it. You're gonna have your guide. It'll walk you through how to set up the watch. Very user-friendly. You can either go to view guide and it'll show you all the navigation features of the watch, walk you through how to use all those, show you what each buttons do. And then you can go through the world time, easily set the watch. Let's say you are an avid traveler, you travel all the time, this watch will be perfect for that. All you gotta do, without even taking the phone out or taking your tablet out, all you have to do is press the button right here at the bottom left. It'll connect to the watch to the phone, and it'll give you the correct time without ever having to take it out. So that's another bonus feature of this watch. It's great for traveling. And then you can set your alarms with it and your timer with it.
Wow,
so
very cool. Tons of features packed into that thing.
Tons of features in this guy. Super exciting to have.
That's awesome. And is there a price point on this one?
Price point on this one's going to be $800.
All right, cool. So not a cheap watch, but you get a ton of stuff for your money. That's great.
And then you get all the features that you know and love from G-Shock. Indestructible watch. You can throw it on the ground, whatever you want to do with it, and it'll be perfectly functional afterwards.
Right on.
So great watch to have, coming out in April.
Very cool. All right, guys, we got some cool stuff here at the Casio booth at CES 2018. Make sure you stay tuned because we're going to be posting a bunch more videos coming up. And don't forget to subscribe so you can see updates every time we upload a video.